Here's a quick 90-second tutorial on making your own DIY pillowcases. Step 1. Gather materials. Gather your materials, fabric of your choice, matching thread, scissors, ruler, pins, and a sewing machine or needle if you prefer hand sewing. Step 2. Measure and cut fabric. Measure your pillow form or existing pillowcase to determine the size of fabric needed. Cut 2 identical pieces of fabric to these dimensions. Step 3. Pin and sew. Place the 2 fabric pieces right sides together, aligning the edges. Sew around 3 sides of the fabric, leaving one of the shorter ends open for inserting the pillow. Step 4. Finish the edges. To prevent fraying, finish the raw edges either by serging, using a zigzag stitch, or folding the edges over twice and sewing a straight stitch. Step 5. Create the opening. On the open end of the pillowcase, fold over the edge twice to create a clean hem. Sew along the edge, leaving a small gap for inserting the pillow. Step 6. Insert pillow. Turn the pillowcase right side out through the opening you left in the stitching. Then, insert your pillow form into the case. Step 7. Close the opening. Finally, hand stitch or use a sewing machine to close the opening left for inserting the pillow. Step 8. Enjoy. Your DIY pillowcase is complete. Admire your handiwork and enjoy the cozy addition to your bedding. And there you have it, your very own custom-made pillowcase. Lastly, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and/or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, and I hope you have a great pillowcase making day.